my new Rubik's Cube, and I already messed it up. I am terrible at solving Rubik's Cubes, but I'm going to try to solve it. I just got it today. You can see it's black in the middle. It has color on the outside. Comes with the stand. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. I'm going to try to solve this. You can see this, which I hope you can. Terrible on solving Rubik's Cubes. Yeah, let's try it. Not good at all. My brother is better than me. Okay. So we have the blue solved, but the one blue is not in the right spot. It's still not in the right spot, if you can see. Top row. Okay. And we gotta get this. So yeah. Not going too good. Better than I expected. But yeah. Here we go. We're trying this, and I'm going to give up soon. Do you want to try this? Yeah. Okay. Here goes my brother trying to solve the Rubik's Cube. There's his face. He just did a try not to laugh challenge. So if you want to go check out his channel, go ahead. It's Cool Dude Gaming, all caps. It's cool space dude space gaming. So yeah.
Please go check it out. Give me a ton of support.
Yeah. And I also did this try not to laugh challenge, but we could only do half of the video.
Yeah, if my viewers are watching this, sorry I ended it early.
And you should sub to me too.
I accidentally.
And sub to him.
I accidentally hit the stop recording.
He tried to hit the pause button, but it didn't work. Okay, so this is going to be wrapping up this video. We didn't solve this Rubik's Cube.
It was solved.
Yeah, it was, today. But I messed it up on that. Yeah. What's the use of getting a Rubik's Cube and not solving it, alright? Yeah. So, see you later. And
see you, dudes.
peace. See you later.